In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your photos have a dreamy haze in Lightroom. This is a fantastic way to add a soft and ethereal touch to your images, making them stand out and evoke a wonderful, almost magical feel. Let's dive into the process. First things first, open up Lightroom on your computer. Once you have Lightroom open, it's time to import your photo that you want to transform. You can do this by navigating to the top menu bar, clicking on File, and then selecting Import Photos and Videos. This will bring up the Import dialog box where you can locate your photo on your hard drive. Select the image and hit Import to bring it into your Lightroom library. With your photo now imported, you'll notice it appears in the Library module. To start editing, we need to head over to the Develop module, which you can find at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Develop to open up all the powerful editing tools Lightroom offers. Once you're in the Develop module, you'll see a panel on the right side. This is where all the adjustments can be made. We're going to start with the Basic panel, so go ahead and click on Basic to open it up if it isn't already. Here's where you can make fundamental changes to the exposure, contrast, and more, which will help to create that dreamy haze effect. To achieve this, begin by adjusting the exposure. You'll want to bring the exposure up slightly. This helps to give your image that light and airy feel. Next, let's tackle the contrast. Lowering the contrast in your image will contribute to smoothing out the details, enhancing the soft appearance you're aiming for. Now, one of the key steps to creating a dreamy haze is adjusting the dehaze slider. You'll find this in the Basic panel as well. Move the dehaze slider to the left, which effectively introduces a soft, misty finish to your photo. This step is crucial for dialing in that ethereal look. Remember, these adjustments can depend greatly on the original brightness and contrast of your image, so feel free to make these changes based on how your photo looks and the effect you want to achieve. With these edits, your photo should now have a lovely, dreamy haze effect. Play around with the settings and you might find even more ways to enhance its magical appeal. Be sure to experiment and see what works best for your specific image. And that's it. You've successfully added a dreamy haze to your photo, giving it an enchanting, soft look that is sure to captivate anyone who sees it. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.